What's going on, people? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about waxing your car properly. Yes, people do it wrong. Yes, I'm going to show you how to do it properly. Let's jump into it. Here is a few examples to show you on not how to do it. Here is the swells. That's not what you want. This is what you want. Let's get back into the video and show you how it's done. If you like this video, people, there's a button there. Click it.
It's quite dirty. Right, so I'm using Details Online. I'm using a light, a heavy, and a glaze. There's my machine. Mine's typically this would take half an hour. It's just a short demonstration. So we're going with the light compound to start off with. Tap it on, otherwise when you spin it, it'll be absolutely everywhere. So when you're using the machine, let the machine do the work. Don't need to put pressure. You buy any compound from anywhere, but I will put the link in the description of where I buy it and what I think is good for your money. Right, after you've done that, wipe away. Nice micro cloth. Obviously it was on the ground, but I know I'm using the side that hasn't been on the ground. See me put it down. Next is a heavy compound. This will get rid of your heavier scratches. As you can see already, the shine on it. Just coming to show you again. Look at that scratch there. It's quite a heavy scratch. Again, do the same again, so it doesn't go everywhere. Just going over that scratch right now. Maybe put a little bit of pressure on it, just to get in there. Just apply a bit more on it. Again, just a little bit more pressure. Just go back over it again. Cloth again, just wipe it away, any residue that's left on it. As you see, look at that shine. And that's just with a little bit. Now I'm using the glaze, which protects it. Again, this is just a quick. Normally I would do 2 or 3. You don't need to do this on every clean, because when you come to the next clean after, it'll be so much easier and all the dirt will come off. Right, now I'm going to show you the shine. Look at that. That's on white. Everyone knows white is hard. White and black. See, there's no swells. That mark's gone. That's dirty.
If you like this video, people, there's a button there. Click it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.